Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here, guys. We are at 70 on Fear Greed. Looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin hitting a wall at 70,955. Ethereum at 3660, and pretty much we are experiencing what could be a pullback. Okay, diving into the markets and diving into this chart, we see here that the divergence I was talking about in our last video may be coming into play. If we look on a daily time frame, we see here that we did do that head and shoulders, okay? But the exact point that we were spot on with is experiencing a pullback exactly where we said, okay? So with that being said, that just shows that this is a confirmed major level of resistance, okay? We see here all the touches, all these wicks right here. We see that this range between 71.5 and pretty much you can say the all-time high about 73.7 is the major level of resistance that we are looking at, which will pretty much give a confirmation that we will enter the bull market when we break this level. Okay, like everything will erupt once we break that level. So the pullback that's happening, we go to the 4-hour time frame for a minute. We do see here that really a confirmation that we will hit lower would be if we break 69,000. Okay, and the reason why I say 69, because I know you're going to ask, is because this level would be considered a higher low point. Okay, so we're moving up here. Let's say we're going up, made a higher low, come up, pull back, made another higher low, and if that holds, we would head further. If that doesn't hold, then we would make new lows, okay, and go on to make lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so with that being said, that is the why behind why I'm saying 69,000. We were spot on, but I need to see what levels break and really need to see what happens, because I see the divergence on the weekly, and I know that's not popular, and I know we're one of the only ones saying it, but I definitely see that divergence on the weekly time frame. Okay, if you look at the stochastic here, this is clearly divergence. Okay, we're going this way, and then on the actual price charts, we're going the exact opposite way. That's bearish divergence. Okay, and with that being said, it is the weekly time frame, and that's kind of why I was highlighting that in our last video, because weekly time frames take a while. Okay, so with that being said, if we look at the charts, we see XRP. Pretty much everything was green for the past 7 days. I mean, we look at Altcoin down 5.09%. Pretty much everything else is double digit up for the most part. I mean, 80% of crypto should be up, especially within the top 50. Like we see HBAR is up 7.88%. We see render down for the 7 days, but it was up for the past hour to 24 hours. But like I said, most things are up right now. Most assets are up right now, and pretty much confirming that everything moves Bitcoin. That's what we're seeing. Everything moves Bitcoin. So you guys know our rule, and we're gonna keep talking about it. You know our rule. We're not buying when we are green. We're buying when we're yellow, orange, or red on the Fear Greed Index. So this is pretty much for us. This is just it's very exciting, but I want everyone to be cautious. That's what we're doing. We're telling our teams and everyone that we deal with directly to be cautious of this weekly divergence, and do not be surprised if we have a pullback. Pullbacks are okay. A healthy pullback would be to this level, 69,000 on the 4-hour time frame, but I would say 67 on the daily. See what we do at this level right here. I'll shake this so you see it. This is the level. Let's see what we do here. Do we bounce or do we respect? Because even on the daily, we see that now we are overbought and a pullback's coming. So we see that already. So is this going to be range, consolidation range, or are we going to make a new high? Okay, so that's our outlook right now. That's basically what we see on the chart. So definitely wanted to highlight that, guys. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.